Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. Okay, this is the last painting I'm going to be doing in the studio before I leave for San Diego, California. And while I am gone, you will be watching videos that I've pre-recorded and got ready for you guys while I'm away. So don't worry, while I'm away, you will still be getting videos. Speaking of videos, you guys all commented in the last one saying you guys would love to see Emily's painting that I did with her and helped her do a blowout with. So that will be one of the videos you'll get to watch next week when I am away, or the week after. At some point while I'm gone in San Diego, you're going to get to see that video. So last video I did that commission, and so let me show you guys the dried results. Doggy hair. I couldn't be happier with how this dried. I'm super stoked, and like I said, Tina loves it, and I'm just loving this. Now, of course, it dries darker, and it's gonna get a top coat of crystal resin. Look at that. I love it. So that's the one, and then let me get the other one. So here's the other one. So they dried so well. I cannot wait to put resin on these and make the colors pop again. But yeah, super excited. I love it. I really love doing this dark blue color palette. It's I think one of my favorites. So that's that. And don't forget, I am leaving for San Diego next week, or this upcoming week. You guys are watching this on Sunday. San Diego, there's still some spots available, just a few. There's one class that's literally almost sold out. But there are some spots. If you are interested in coming to San Diego, California, this is your last chance. After this video, you will not hear me talk about San Diego, California again for the workshop. So this is your last chance. If you want to come to San Diego, California and learn in person with me and Lee and Jeremy from Massey Art Studio, you can email us at fluidartwithfriends@gmail.com. Okay, and if you can't come to San Diego, I will be in Asheville, North Carolina, May 23rd to the 25th. I will be there teaching 6 classes, Asheville, North Carolina. For information on that event, you can go to www.fluidartexperience.com. And then finally, of course, I am doing a workshop with Kathleen from Cause Creations. That is happening in Fort Myers, Florida, July 13th and 14th. And if you want information on that event, go email us at fluidartwithfriendsflorida@gmail.com. Okay? So today's video is going to be the greens. I promised you guys I was going to do the black base with the greens. That is what we are doing today. So I'm going to get myself set up and let's get started. All right, everybody, let's get started. So I'm working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas, just a little guy today. And of course, my base paint is always the Oxide Black by Amsterdam. Okay, I've got it here in my little squeeze bottle as well. Colors I am using today, and before I forget, for those of you who are new watching and you want to know how I mix my paints with water and Floetrol, check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. Click on that link and it is a full tutorial on how I mix my paints. So colors I'm using, Pearl Lime Green by Arteza. Then we have Bamboo Green by Holbein, and I'm not really sure I've ever used this color, but we're going to use it today. Pearl Cactus Green by Arteza. Then we have Reflex Green by Amsterdam, and then Pearl Cream by Arteza. Then Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo, and topping it off, Phthalo Green by Amsterdam. Those are the colors I'm using. Going to be using the flower hair dryer. I did not put any gold or silver in this. I figured the Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo is going to have a little bit of a goldish yellowish hue to it. I didn't want to add gold because it might mess up with my colors. And then even this Pearl Lime Green seems to have some sort of gold, you know, can you see that? A little bit of a gold hue to that. So 7 colors, which is not good. Usually for canvas this size, I'll do 5 or 6 colors, but I'm doing 7. So yeah, we'll see how that works out. I'm going to flood my canvas and I shall be right back. All right, everybody, canvas flooded, bubbles are popped, and yes, I did. It is not my day. I first off dripped my entire hand and the spatula in the paint. I don't know if you noticed that when I was flooding the canvas. I totally dipped the whole spatula in there. And then, what else did I do? The black bottle exploded all over my hands. So then I got black all over my hands. And now I leaned over so that I could just change, you know, fix the color on my camera there. And I dipped my apron in there. So yeah, I hope that's not a sign of what's to come. Oops. Oh well, anyways, moving right along. As I was saying, canvas flooded, bubbles have been popped. Let's start with the Pearl Lime Green. All right, so again, an inner circle, not going too close to the edge because we need space to blow out. Okay, looks good to me. Okay, so after I finish this video, on the other side of my table, I've got everything I need to pack in my suitcase art-wise. So we're taking 2 suitcases. One is going to be filled with art supplies that I need for teaching classes, scales, torches, spatulas, whatever. And then the other suitcase is going to have our clothes in it. So should be an interesting pack. We'll see how that pans out. We may have to take a carry-on. Who knows? All I know is that I am super stoked and excited that the day is finally coming. You know, Lee, Jeremy, and I cannot wait to see you guys and paint with you guys. We picked a super cool restaurant, Phil's Barbecue. Is that what it's called? I think so. I cannot wait. We're all going to go out after on Friday night, and everyone's going to get to hang out together and go to a restaurant and have a good time. So I'm looking forward to that too. And then sightseeing in San Diego with Anthony after the event is over. So yeah, I'm so excited. And the weather there is so much better than the weather here. Although I am not complaining. We have had some stellar warm weather here in London. You know, it's supposed to be super duper cold, but we've been super lucky in having, you know, temperatures above 0 Celsius. Super duper excited. Cannot complain about that. So yeah. All right. Last color. And this is a lot of paint. I keep forgetting that I had 7 colors here. That's a lot of paint, but look how pretty this looks. It looks so nice. Let's pop the bubbles. Okay. All right. I think I'm gonna start down here in the corner. Yeah, see what happens. I don't know. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. green. It's like the Emerald City from the Wizard of Oz. The only thing I'm not happy with is this like little black negative space in here. So I started here and went all the way and then stopped here, and then I ended up with a little bit of an issue here, but nothing I couldn't fix. But I'm kind of not liking this little river of black, so I'm just going to use my finger and dab away. Ouch. Dab away and just kind of blend it like so. Just kind of play with it. Yeah, that's better. Kind of like that better. Same thing here. I think I'm going to, maybe I shouldn't, but I'm going to do it anyway. That's better actually. I like that. Oh, the rest of this is so cool. I love it. Oh, I like it. Yeah, I don't want to touch that actually. I think I'm good. I love the Reflex green. It really adds a really nice pop of color, like neon color. So that's it. That is it. I'm not touching anything else. So I am going to touch up any edges that may need some touching up. And I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. I'll be right back. All right, everybody. Before we get to that beautiful close-up, don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape the drips. Scrape the drips. Do all 4 sides. Come back 10 minutes later and do it again, and then you should be good. Or a 3rd time. If you see drips, scrape them. All right, so look how pretty. I love it. Now I'm going to ask you guys, what color should I do next? Yellows? Reds? I've done blue. I've done, I don't remember. I can't remember anything. What have I done? Pinks. I did pinks. I did blues. And then I did that turquoise and purple medley. Now I've done green. So let me know what color you want to see me do next after I get back from San Diego. Let me turn the lights off and we'll check out the shimmer. All right, so the flash is on and now there should be, you see, even though I didn't put gold in there, you see that? Looks like gold. That is, like I said, that's probably the iridescent green yellow. So there's definitely gonna be a little bit of goldish kind of color in here. But I am okay with that because it looks really good. There's a lot of shimmer in here. Because there's, I think there was, what, how many? 4 iridescents or pearls or whatever you want to call them by Arteza. But definitely looks pretty cool. I can't wait for this to dry. And there you have it, everyone. There's your greens. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think about the greens. It is available for purchase. If anyone is interested in this piece 16 by 20, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com to purchase it. What should I do next? Yeah, reds, yellows, orange, browns, I don't know. Black and white and silver. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that is it. I am going to start packing. I'm excited. I cannot wait to get to San Diego to see everybody. Again, still some spots left. It's not too late. You can still come and take classes with us if you are interested. Sugar. I'm not even thinking. It's you can email us at fluidartwithfriends@gmail.com. Oh, my brain's not working. All right, my friends, I will be back in about a week and a half with my next regular video. So until then, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.